Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make a very easy and simple chocolate cake. To get started, here are the ingredients I will be using. Here I have some all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, granulated sugar, I have buttermilk, 3 eggs. I'll be using some hot coffee. I have baking soda and baking powder, vanilla extract, some oil, and some salt. Let's get started. So to get started, we'll start by combining all of our dry ingredients. That's our salt, baking powder, baking soda, and our cocoa powder. We'll mix the combine and set aside. Next, we'll combine all of our wet ingredients, starting with the eggs, vanilla extract, oil, and buttermilk. We'll mix the combine, then we'll add our sugar and mix until that is fully dissolved. All of this could be done manually by hand, which I am doing today, but if you like, you can use a hand mixer. So at this point, we'll add our hot coffee. Make sure that the coffee is super hot, but if you don't want to add coffee, you can add hot water here. Then we will add our dry ingredients a little at a time until it is well combined. So now that we've got our batter all set, it is time to transfer this into our baking pan. You can use whatever baking pan you like, but today I will be using a silicone pan, and this is what it looks like. I prefer to use this because it just makes your cake look fancy without having to do much work. And I'm not a professional baker or anything, so I try to find the simplest ways to bake stuff and make them look good without having to do all the work, because of course it's not gonna look good because I'm not a professional. So we'll place this in a 350-degree oven. For mine took about 45 minutes, but you can keep checking it. Stick it in the middle with a toothpick or a skewer, and if it comes out clean, that's how you know it's done. After about 45 minutes, the cake is now done, and what I'll do is let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then I'll remove it and allow it to continue cooling on my cooling rack. Now let's make a simple chocolate ganache for the cake. I am using milk chocolate, but you can use whatever chocolate you like. And I have here some heavy whipping cream. I will not be doing frosting or icing today because I want to keep it super simple. And what we'll do is go ahead and heat up our heavy whipping cream in the microwave. You can boil yours if you like, but I'm using the microwave. And then we will pour it over top of the chocolate, and we'll mix until the chocolate is fully dissolved and we have a nice runny consistency. And that's it. That will be the ganache that we'll pour over our cake. Super simple and easy. Anyone can do this. Now we'll go ahead and drizzle that ganache over a cake the best way we could. This is probably the hardest part, if I'm being honest, trying to get this over top of this cake and make it look presentable. As I said, I am not a professional, so if this doesn't look good, please do not kill me, guys. And you know, even if it doesn't look good, it will taste amazing still because the cake is super delicious and the ganache is lovely as well. So we're going for taste and less about looks. So this is the best I can do, guys. I tried. And what we'll do next is go ahead and see what this looks like on the inside. Now for the good part, guys. I know we all love a good chocolate cake. I just can't wait to try this because I know it's going to be absolutely delicious. It is so moist and yet it still has texture. That's what I love about this cake. I can't wait for you guys to try it. Okay guys, so this is my take on a super simple but yet delicious chocolate cake. I do hope you guys give the recipe a try, and if you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!